people, welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Today in my video I am going to show you how to drape a sari into beautiful dress, skirt and a gown. So come, let's get started. Take a lightweight chiffon sari. Fold the sari into equal halves. Get the sari towards your bust line, take it backwards and twist it so that you get equal halves at the front. Bring the two equal halves in the front to the shoulder and secure it with a safety pin. Now take the bottommost layer of the sari, that is the last layer of the sari, bring it towards the front and start pleating the edge of the sari. After pleating the sari, take the pleats from the underneath of the layers of the sari and bring it to the front neckline. Now, spread the pleats evenly on the neckline. You can adjust the pleats by maybe tucking it in slightly and making it as per the length you want. You can adjust the frill and make it look neat and nice on the neckline. Now for the leftover fabric, for the long layer which is left over, just wrap it around your waistline just like a wraparound. Make it tightly, wrap it tightly around the waistline and tuck the extra fabric. Now you can add a belt to secure the extra layers inside and it also looks neat and fashionable. So you can either wear a belt or just leave it as it is. So you can see the final look of the dress. Now she'll show you the second styling. Take one end of the sari and make a double knot. Wear it on your shoulder. Similarly, take the other end of the sari and make a double knot and wear it on your shoulder. Now bring both the fabrics on the center front and secure it with a safety pin. Now you can see behind excess fabric, sari fabric which is left over. Start pleating them completely till the end. Once the pleating is complete, tuck the entire pleats on your waistline. Secure the pleats with a belt so that it sits properly on the waistline without slipping off. So this is the final look of this drape. For this styling, I am wearing a silk skirt. Now I am going to pleat the sari, the chiffon sari, from one end of the waistline till the other with tiny nice pleats. Just watch very carefully. The pleats have to be very thin and it has to look slender and nice. Don't make very big pleats so that the fall of the skirt won't be good. You have to wear a proper fitted skirt so that the pleats which you tuck inside have to sit properly tight inside. Anyways, you're going to secure it with a belt. Make as many pleats as possible and then later take the sari to the other end of the waist and again start making the pleats. Once you're done with the pleating and very little sari fabric is left, just tuck the extra fabric, the excess fabric on the back waistline. And at the end, secure it. Secure the pleats with a belt so that the pleats doesn't slip off. So this is the final look of a layered skirt. So hope you enjoyed my today's video. Try this look with your sari. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Fashion and Lifestyle, like my video and share it.